So in this video, we're going to look at the logarithmic function. Okay, so let's see. They're asking us to change the logarithmic form. So we have an exponent. So we have 81 equals 9 squared. And we're asked to rewrite this in logarithmic form. So what is that relationship? So y equals b to the power x. This is equivalent to log base b of y equaling x. X. Good. So now we need to apply this to our situation 81 equals 9 squared. So our base, so we have log, our base is 9, our y value is 81, and this equals 2. Good. All right, so let's have a look at the next one. So we have 64 equals 2 to the power 6. So log, our base is 2, our value is 64, and this equals 6. Next one, so log, our base is 3, our final result, or y, is 243, and this equals 5, the exponent. All right, next one, so log, our base is 5, our result is 125, and this equals 3, which is the exponent. And 2 more. So we have log, our base is 169. Our final answer is 13, and this equals our exponent, which is 1/2. And last one, log base is 11. Final answer is 1,331, and this equals our exponent, which is x. Good. Right, so that brings us to the end of the first part of logarithms. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message or give us a call. And thank you for watching.